Hey, what's up YouTube? We're out here at Otter Creek Campground. We got my mom's camper, my grandfather's camper right there. We're gonna help him clean up a little bit, get ready for the season, and do a little maintenance. And I think he's got something he wants me to put up, move a little couple things. So we're gonna knock that stuff out. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet already, I recommend subscribing. We got a lot of videos coming out. This specific trip, I think I have 4 or 5 planned. So I hope to see you guys not only on this one, but I hope to see you on the next one too. So if you have a good time, if you enjoy yourselves, give it a thumbs up, and let's get going. Cheers. Now we're going to tear this up, put a bunch of gravel in. Is that it? I think we're just tearing it up and put gravel in. I'm not exactly sure yet. But for now, we're just going to be tearing it up. Let's get that shit out. Alright, ready? Well, let me get the camera set up. Let's see if we can do this right this time. Oh, I gotta get the charger. Never mind. We'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Ready? Let's see how fast we can do this. You guys ready? Come with me. 1, 2, 3, go! Whew, it's coming along good. I'm gonna turn this off to save some battery and some space. Alright, we got a bunch of gravel laid out. I forgot to turn the camera back on. No, I'm alright. I forgot to turn the camera back on, so I already kind of rigged some out. We're just gonna finish leveling out and then do the thing on it. Alright, so that's done. It's all ready for the hammock. Say hi. Hi. What you got? Ooh, can I have one? Is it a mix of them? You got 2 different kinds? Wow.
No, the one you took was pizza.
Yeah, pizza one. That was good. Alright, ready to move the rest of these rocks?
Try this one.
Oh, is this the cheddar one? That was pretty yummy.